Well, I went to Vegas for the first time like 2 years ago, which is weird for a magician. And I'd always heard the old expression, you only need 5 cards to win in Vegas. I didn't know what that meant. So I asked my dad, I said, Dad, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards in my wallet. What do I need to win in Vegas? And he said, Josh, you only need one thing. You need lots of dollar bills so you can tip the bellboys when you... I said, Josh, you need 2 things. A credit card and another credit card for after you max out the first one. To win in Vegas, she dealt out 3 tarot cards. The Judgment card. Ooh. The Fool card. No comments, please. And the Hanged Man card. I was beginning to think the trip was bad for me cosmically. So I asked my girlfriend, I said, Sarah, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards in my wallet. What do I need to win in Vegas? She said, you're going to Vegas and you didn't take me? I'm dumping you. So I asked my other girlfriend, I said, I've got 1, 2, no, tickets like Cirque du Soleil, Lance Burton, Wayne Newton. For the record, I didn't go see Wayne Newton. Okay, I did. So I asked my friend Crazy Joe. This guy knows how to have a good time in Vegas. He's doing time in upstate right now. He had your boarding card, then a calling card, then your lawyer's card. This is the Dewey, Cheatham & Howe law firm. Pretty cool. Then a deportation card, and if you can swing it, a get-out-of-jail-free card. They don't issue too many of these in real life. So I went to Vegas. I went with just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards in my wallet, and I figured it out. If you go to Vegas and have the 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace, you will win every time you play.